Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. I am on my way to Azusa Canyon. Like I said on my last video, I'm going to use my metal detector and my sluice box, but half the day will be the metal detector and the other half will be my sluice box. Not sure which, well, I'll probably metal detect first, but super excited. I hope with all this rain that just happened here in Southern California, I hope boy, I hope I find something good. But wow, that sun is bright. So anyways, yeah, I'm on my way to Azusa Canyon, so hopefully cross your fingers, hopefully I find something good. But anyways, it'll be a fun day anyways. It's supposed to be really nice, supposed to be like 70 74 degrees out there, so let's see what happens. But yeah, on my way, but hopefully I get some good footage. I'll show you guys when I'm metal detecting, and if I get a hit. Of course I'm not going to show you guys the whole time, you guys will get bored and then click off. So anyways, yeah, but once I get a hit, as I'm digging it up, I will videotape it. That's the plan. So as long as these batteries, you know how GoPro is. GoPro doesn't have long-lasting batteries, but as long as these batteries, I have a backup charger, so I'm not too worried. As long as my batteries last, I'll record the whole time. So anyways, stay tuned. Next time you see this, I'll be up in Azusa Canyon, getting the gold. Check it out, guys. I just want to see. Think there'd be anything right here? Look at this. I'd have to metal detect right here. Bedrock. I'm assuming this is bedrock. Wouldn't be able to go up that high, you know. This is where all the water flowed out. There's not much, but you never know. You know what I mean? Kind of hard to tell there'd be anything in here. See how there's all. This is where, oh look at, it looked like maybe someone was digging here, or no? Maybe I'll try to detect this. Let's see. I just don't have enough patience for metal detecting. Anybody want to buy a metal detector? Anyways, yeah, so yeah, metal detecting, it just beeps so much. I guess I'm not sure how to use it. Maybe I need to take one of those classes or something, I don't even know. But yeah, it's not as easy as it looks, and then also I just don't have the patience for it. Yeah, you gotta, it is treasure hunting. You're basically trying to find a little piece of gold. Well, I'm trying to find a big piece of gold, but you're trying to find a piece of gold, and it's literally a treasure hunt, you know. But like I said, I don't have enough patience for that. Well guys, the river is flowing super fast. Look at that. Yeah. Maybe down here. So yeah, the river's flowing super fast. It must have came all the way up to here, because check it out. Look at this. Is this soft? No, it's hard. Here's your. Look at that. It must have came all the way up here. Crazy. Alright guys, let me clean this screen. Alright, hopefully that's better. So, what we got going on is the water is flowing pretty good. My fluid bed's working. You can't see in there. I'm gonna pan this out, but this is where I'm digging. Let me show you where I'm digging. Let's go up here. This is where I'm digging. That rock smashed my toe. That hurt. But anyways, here's where I'm digging. So I figure I better stop right there. It's getting pretty late. Just finished panning, and there's some more stuff left, but I just finished panning, and this is what I found today. I found this weird rock, but I left it in there. Let me see. This is my brother's rock collection from up there, but check it out. There's some kind of chunky gold. Let me move this out of the way. Here's what I found. Look at quite a bit today. That's everything I found today. Quite a bit. It's a lot of shoveling today. A beautiful day. Look at that. Some big pieces. Look at that's right there. A lot of gold today. Look at that. My sluice box is working really good today. Don't ask me how much it weighs. I have no idea. Let me see. This is the how much I found today. But look at, there's a pretty big piece. What's weird, it didn't get caught in my matting. My matting didn't get caught. Look at. Yep, look at. That's from Azusa Canyon today. Believe it or not, that's the most I've ever found. Look at that. My GoPro died. But yeah, pretty good day. Other than that rock hitting my foot. But yeah. It looks like a lot in this, it looks like a lot until you pan away from it. So anyways, look how dirty the pool is. Quite a bit of gold. Quite a bit. Look at that. Let me take a picture of it. Send it to my brother. Look at this. Someone's bringing snow to us. Look at that water. Why is it so brown? Look at that. Well guys, I went a little bit further than East Fork and found this little stop area. Pretty neat. Look at this. Look at this view. Look at these rocks. Damn, look at that. That's some crazy rocks. Look at that tree way up there. Wow. Wow. Remember that rocket? I think that rocket was supposed to go off today too. Look at that. Amazing. Look at this. Look at that. Look at all that force.
Perfect.